Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Bitcoin. To buy Bitcoin only ways. Create an account on Bitcoin. Verify your email and identity, then link a bank account or card for payment. Set up the Bitcoin. Wallet and securely back up your seed phrase offline. Choose buy, enter the amount in USD or BTC, confirm fees, and complete the purchase. Transfer funds to cold storage if you prefer long-term security. First, verify your identity to unlock higher limits and faster payments on Bitcoin. Upload a clear ID photo, a selfie, and any requested documents, and wait for confirmation. Review the supported payment options like ACH, wire, or debit card, noting that card purchases usually incur higher fees. Set sensible buy limits, double-check recipient addresses, and never rush confirmations to avoid costly mistakes. Use small test buys before large transfers to confirm everything works. Keep your Bitcoin safe by using the Bitcoin wallet with strong security practices. Enable two-factor authentication, set a strong, unique password, and write your seed phrase on paper stored in a safe place. Consider hardware wallets for large balances and practice sending small test transactions first. Regularly update the app, beware phishing emails, and never share private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Treat software updates and app permissions seriously to reduce vulnerabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.